Hey, how you doing, America? I go by the name of Will X, the Poet King. And today I'm running a campaign, man, called I Can't Stand My Wife campaign. This is a campaign for any man that's getting abused by their wives. Now, this can be physical or mental abuse, you know what I mean? Now, physical abuse is when your wife, you know what I mean, give you a two-piece body shot, boom, boom, or give you a jab to the face, pop, pop. That is called a physical abuse. Or if she get a pipe wrench sort of like this, and go upside your goddamn head, that's called physical abuse. Now, mental abuse from your wife is if you say, what would make you a happy wife? If she say, if you die, that is like mental abuse. Or if, you know what I mean, if you doing your thing and you know what I mean, doing something a little quick and she's like, you know, 5-second man, 10-second man, that can really destroy your self-esteem. Now, man, we gotta fight back because we got rights. So any men that been abused by their wives at home, let's come out the closet and let this know. I know I'm not the only one. And that number is 1-800 I Can't Stand My Wife. That's 1-800 I Can't Stand My Wife. And it's limited t-shirts if you call right away. It's only 13 t-shirts. So you want to jump on that right away. Okay? And just looking for my wife. She ain't around. So I want to tell y'all this poem called I Can't Stand My Wife. Get those t-shirts while they last, y'all. They not going fast, but, you know, you never know. You never know. I can't stand my wife. She thinks she's so bad. Well, I gave the neighbor $200 just to kick her ass. I can't stand my wife. She thinks she's so tough. Well, she ended up whooping the neighbor ass, now I'm out of $200. I can't stand my wife. Shit, where should I begin? She whooped that neighbor ass so fast, the neighbor thought she had a twin. You know how I know? Because in the middle of the fight, the neighbor said, time out. This 2 against 1. She got a twin. That shit ain't right. I said, oh, shit, she out on her feet. She need a standing 8. I would have jumped in and broke it up a long time ago, but I paid her. It's too late. That shit was embarrassing. You should have seen blood on neighbor's shirt. I would have jumped in and helped the neighbor out, but I need my money's worth. You ever seen somebody get beat so bad you tell them stop, drop, and roll? Or just play dead, because right about now the fight ain't in your control? I seen the neighbor the other day. I said, why the fuck you tell me you couldn't fight? She said, you ain't asked, plus I need the cash, and I ate pretty good that night. I said, hell no, you got 2 choices. As she wiped the blood off her chin, I said, you can pay me my money back, or you fight my wife till you win. She said, I spent that money. I looked at her face and I couldn't blame her. Then I said, the only thing you spent that money on is a personal trainer. So I'm training this chick. She eating good. We sparring every day. I told her taking hits to the face like that ain't good on your resume. I got a boxing shoes. I got a box of tools. I said, if that jab don't work, you take that pipe wrench out that bag, you swing it and go berserk. Start giving her pep talks like if you lose, you keep on trying. You want to be the king of the jungle, you got to beat the lion. Start giving away family secrets. I said, psst, psst, come in, neighbor. My wife got real bad knees. You hit them right, down goes Frazier. This one I knew she was scared. She said, why you want me to fight your wife? I said, because I can't do it. Besides, I'm the customer. The customer's always right. Start giving me more excuses. Said, I think I'm pregnant. I said, that's cool. You hit her high, the baby hit her low. As a team, shit, y'all can't lose. A month went by. The neighbor said, I'm in the best shape of my life. All I need is them boxing gloves, that box of tools you call your wife. I said, honey, somebody here to see you. I whispered to that neighbor, now make me into a believer. My wife came out and said, then I beat your ass once, girl, you don't stop. And why you all greased up with boxing gloves in a toolbox? The neighbor took that pipe wrench out the bag, went to swing it and go berserk, but the dumb bitch dropped the pipe wrench. She forgot to take off the boxing glove first. My wife grabbed that pipe wrench. She said, no, wait. She started crying. She said, your husband paid for me to beat your ass. I said, and that bitch lying. My wife said, all this time I need new men and new shoes in my life. You done paid this chick with some of the rent money, and this chick here can't even fight. I said, no, I didn't, honey. I wasn't doing nothing like that. With a dumb look on my face, she said, after I finish kicking her ass, I'm going to give your ass a taste. My wife looked at me with that pipe wrench and said, to hell's why I'm a senior. I would tell y'all the rest of the story, but this one here is going to be continued. I can't stand my wife. She thinks she's so bad. But after she whooped on that neighbor, she ended up whooping up on my ass. I can't stand my wife. And y'all think this shit is funny? But if y'all see that neighbor, y'all tell that bitch she owe me money.